विठ्ठल विठ्ठल हरे कृष्ण. Our inspiration Honorable Dr. Patangravji Kadam Sahib, Honorable Wahini Sahib, Honorable Dr. Vishwajit Kadam Sir, respected Principal Mrs. Urmila Shinde Ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents and dear students, a very good morning to all. I, Mrs. Swati Desai, glad to speak on the auspicious day Ashadi Ekadashi, and am thankful to Principal Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Every religion has its own way to celebrate festivals, and one of that is Ashadi Ekadashi. We celebrate this day by presenting a dindi or by Paliki Pujan. Children wear Varkari costume on that day. This holy day is of special significance of Vaishnavas. The meaning of Ekadashi is Ek means 11 and Dasha means to stay. To stay with Madhava or Vishnu with all your 11 senses. Ashadi Ekadashi is an auspicious 11th lunar day of bright fortnight, that is Shukla Paksha of the Hindu month Ashad, that is in the month of June or July. It is also called as Devashayani Ekadashi because it is believed that during that period Lord Vishnu falls asleep in the cosmic ocean of milk on Sheshnag. So, Deva Shayani, Shayan means to sleep. It is the beginning of Chaturmas. The popular belief is if anyone observing Ashadi ritual fast or vrat with complete devotion will be blessed with happy, prosperous and peaceful life. This is about spiritual value of vrat. But even science also proves that the fast is very beneficial to our health. The scientists have proved that by their experiments, those who are vegetarians put a vrat and live a sattvic life, their lifespan increase. Even the Namasmaran Vithala Vithala also affects on our body. Due to it, heartbeats get normal and the energy of heart increases. Even the blood pressure also remains constant. That's why people who walk near about 250 km distance during the Wari of Pandharpur don't get any kind of health issues because the vibrations of Namasmaran affects on the heartbeats. And this is the combination of spiritual science and health science. But nowadays, we are only enjoying the fasting or vrat. We take many kinds of food items on fasting, which increases lot of calories in our body. Actually, if we eat only fruits and fluids on fasting, then it increases energy and also causes detoxification of body. One more thing is that why don't we eat grains on that day? As we know, the gravitational force of attraction of moon towards the earth causes high tides and low tides. And according to research, it is found that this gravitational pull is more on 11th day. That is from Dashami to Dwadashi. And the grains having quality that they are retaining more water in it. And if you take more grains on that day, due to the more water, more pull towards the moon, and which leads to havoc in our stomach. Even according to scientists and doctors, maximum diseases are initiated by having grains on Ekadashi. So, at last, I want to say that While living in this world, why not live in a lifestyle which is more conducive for our not just spiritual well-being but also for the upkeep of our body? Thank you. Vithala, Vithala, Vithala.